That's it. Top right. You got it? That's good.
I do have one more order.
Thank you. Yeah, sure.
And there is an interpreter here for Thomas Matthew.
Hello, this is the interpreter from Malayalam.
Good morning.
Morning, Judge.
And tell me who you're here for?
For defendant Matthew Thomas.
Is Thomas Matthews here?
Thomas Matthew out and
I saw him. Look, he's on the screen at one point in time. Can you ask Thomas to unmute himself?
Thomas, unmute ചെയ്യാവോ?
Okay.
Yes, okay.
Good morning, Mr. Matthew. You have a speeding ticket.
Good morning, sir.
നമസ്കാരം, മിസ്റ്റർ മാത്യു. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇവിടെ സ്പീഡിംഗ് ടിക്കറ്റ് ലഭിച്ചിട്ടുള്ളതാണ്.
Does the state have an offer for Mr. Matthew?
സംസ്ഥാന സർക്കാർ വഴി ചോദിക്കാണ് എന്തെങ്കിലുമൊക്കെ ഒരു ഒത്തുതീർപ്പുണ്ടോ എന്നുള്ളതായി.
Yes, the state's offer is a $402 fine and 1 year of court supervision.
അതെ, ഇവിടെ സംസ്ഥാന സർക്കാർ വഴി $402 പിഴ അടയ്ക്കണമെന്ന് ആവശ്യപ്പെടുകയാണ്. പിന്നെ ഒരു വർഷത്തിന് കോടതിയുടെ മേൽനോട്ടത്തിൽ ഉണ്ടാകണം എന്നും ആവശ്യപ്പെടുന്നു.
Would you like to accept the offer, Mr. Matthew?
മിസ്റ്റർ മാത്യു, അത് സ്വീകരിക്കുമോ നിങ്ങൾ ഒത്തുതീർപ്പ്?
സാറേ, എൻ്റെ തെറ്റ് ഞാൻ സമ്മതിക്കുന്നു. കോടതിക്ക് എന്നോട് ദയ ഉണ്ടാകണം. ഞാനൊരു പുരോഹിതനാണ്.
ഒരു മിനിറ്റ്. Well, I do plead guilty, Your Honor, and then I would seek consideration from the court because I'm a pastor.
ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ ഫാമിലിയുമായിട്ട് ഡിട്രോയിറ്റ് വരെ യാത്ര പോവുകയായിരുന്നു.
I was traveling to Detroit along with my family at the time.
എൻ്റെ 8 വയസ്സുള്ള കുഞ്ഞ് ഛർദ്ദിച്ചപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ അടുത്തൊരു എക്സിറ്റ് എടുക്കാനായിട്ട് നോക്കുകയായിരുന്നു.
ഒരു മിനിറ്റ്. When my 8-year-old child started throwing up, I was trying to get to an exit that's close by.
അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഞാൻ അല്പം സ്പീഡ് കൂട്ടിയത്. എൻ്റെ സ്പീഡ് ഞാൻ തെറ്റ് സമ്മതിക്കുന്നു.
That's why I had to speed at that moment. I do accept my mistake of speeding.
ഞാൻ കോടതിയോട് ദയവുണ്ടായി എന്നോട് അത് ക്ഷമിക്കണം. ഞാൻ അത് ക്ഷമ ചോദിക്കുന്നു.
I plead mercy from the court. I do accept my fault and I would seek consideration from the court.
ഞാൻ ഒരു ക്ലർജി ആയതുകൊണ്ട് എൻ്റെ ഇൻഷുറൻസ് ഒക്കെ വർദ്ധിക്കുമോ എന്നുള്ള ഒരു പേടിയിലൂടെയാണ് ഞാൻ.
Because I'm a clergy, I'm afraid that my insurance rates would go up.
ഞാൻ ദയവുണ്ടായി എന്നോട് കോടതി ക്ഷമിക്കണം. ഇനി മേലിൽ ഞാൻ ഇത് ആവർത്തിക്കത്തില്ല. ഞാനൊരു ഇമിഗ്രന്റ് ആയിട്ട് വന്നിട്ട് 6 മാസമേ ആയുള്ളൂ.
I will never repeat this again. I plead mercy from the court. As a new immigrant, I am concerned about that. It's only been 6 months that I've been in this country.
ഇതെന്റെ ആദ്യത്തെ ഒരു തെറ്റാണ്. ഇനിമേൽ ഞാൻ ആവർത്തിക്കത്തില്ല.
If you don't want to accept the offer, I can offer you a
$164 fine, but it would be a conviction on your record.
Judge, this is the interpreter could not clearly hear that. Could you please kindly repeat it?
If he doesn't want to accept the supervision offer, I'm willing to give him a fine of $164, but it will be a conviction on his driving record.
അതെ, ഇപ്പോൾ മേൽനോട്ടത്തില് 1 വർഷം നിൽക്കാൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് താല്പര്യമില്ലെങ്കിലേ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പിഴ അടയ്ക്കാനുള്ളത് വേണമെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ $164 കുറയ്ക്കാം. പക്ഷേ അത് നിങ്ങളുടെ കുറ്റകൃത്യം എന്ന് നിങ്ങളുടെ ഡ്രൈവേഴ്സ് റെക്കോർഡിൽ വരും എന്നുള്ളതാണ്
ഞാൻ
രേഖകളില്.
കോടതിയുടെ മേൽക്കൂട്ടത്തിൽ നിൽക്കാൻ തയ്യാറാണ്. എന്റെ ഇതിൽ റെക്കോർഡിൽ വരുന്നത്.
I am okay to be under the court supervision. I do not want this to be on my record.
Okay. So do you want to accept the $402 fine then?
അപ്പൊ $402 പിഴ സ്വീകരിക്കുമോ നിങ്ങള്?
സ്വീകരിക്കാം സർ.
Yes sir, I will accept that.
Okay.
ശരി.
It's a $402 fine. And I'm going to place you on supervision. And
അപ്പൊ $402 പിഴ അടയ്ക്കണം എന്നാണ്. പിന്നെ കോടതിയുടെ മേൽനോട്ടത്തിലും നിങ്ങൾ നിർത്തുന്നതായിരിക്കും.
how much time do you need to pay that fine?
ആ തുക അടയ്ക്കാൻ എത്ര സമയം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണം?
സാറേ ഒരു മാസം.
Sir, 1 month, sir.
Okay, I'm going to give you until April 1st to have it paid, okay?
അപ്പൊ ഏപ്രിൽ 1 വരെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് സമയം തരികയാണ് ആ പിഴ അടയ്ക്കാനായിട്ട് കേട്ടോ.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you both.
രണ്ടാൾക്കും നന്ദി.
You're free to exit now if you'd like.
ഇനിയിപ്പോ നിങ്ങൾ ആഗ്രഹിക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇതിന്ന് പോവാമെന്നാണ്.
എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഇത് അടയ്ക്കാനുള്ള വിവരം ഇവിടെ അറിയിക്കുമോ?
How would I make the payment? Will they let me know?
You can either, if you see across the screen, it says pay your fine online at paytrafficfine.org.
അതെ, ഇപ്പം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ആ സ്ക്രീനിൽ കാണാൻ കഴിയുമായിരിക്കും പേ ഫൈൻ ഓൺലൈൻ എന്നുള്ളതായിട്ട്. അപ്പൊ അത് ആ ഇന്റർനെറ്റിലോട്ട് ചെല്ലുക, paytrafficfine.org എന്നതിൽ ചെന്ന് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പിഴ അടയ്ക്കാം.
Okay.
406
രൂപ അല്ലേ സാർ?
It's $406, right sir?
Yes.
Okay.
അതെ.
Thank you sir.
Thank you sir.
Thank you.
നന്ദി. Would that be all done for the interpreter, Judge?
Yes, that's all. Thank you. You can exit now. I appreciate it.
Thank you for using our services, Judge. Have a very good day.
Thank you.
Bye.
Ms. Henderson, can you unmute? Thank you.
Hi.
You have a speeding ticket. Does the state have an offer?
Yes, the state's offer is a $280 fine with court supervision.
They're offering you a $280 fine and supervision. Do you want to accept the offer?
Yes,
Do you want to pay that today, or do you need some time to pay it?
I'll need some time to pay it.
I can give you February 1st, March 1st, or April 1st.
March 1st, please.
Okay, I'm going to give you 60 days court supervision, and I'm going to have it paid by March 1st, okay?
Okay,
All right, thank you very much.
thank you.
Good morning, can you hear me?
Good morning. Yeah.
So you have a speeding ticket as well?
Yeah, I do.
Does the state have an offer?
Yes, the state's offer would be a $402 fine with 1 year court supervision.
They're offering you a $402 fine and a year of supervision. Do you want to accept that?
Yeah, I know.
How much time do you need to pay that?
Maybe like 2 months.
Okay, I'm going to give you till April 1st, okay?
April 1st?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay, it's a $402 fine, and you're going to have that paid by April 1st, all right?
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning, Maisha. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Good morning.
The Is this a Scott's Law ticket?
It is.
So Ms. Ross, you have a ticket for improper passing of an emergency vehicle. It's a Scott's Law violation. It's a very high fine, and if you plead to this, I think you're probably going to lose your license for a couple of months. Does the state have an offer?
Yes, state's offered me a $730 fine with court supervision.
So they're offering you supervision, so you're not going to lose your license, but it is a $730 fine. Do you want to accept the offer?
Yes. Can I ask what is the court supervision? Like, what does that entail?
How long is the period, Haley?
It's dependent on how long it takes them to take.
Okay. So as long as you don't get another ticket during that supervisory period, this is not going to appear as a conviction on your record, so it should not suspend your license. If you have the conviction for it on your license, the Secretary of State is going to suspend your license for at least 2 months.
Okay. I'll take the deal.
How much time do you want to pay that?
Um,
A lot of money, I know.
can I do till April?
Yeah. I'll give you till
Am I able? I'm sorry, you go ahead.
I'll give you till April 1st, and you can make payments on it. You don't have to make a lump sum payment. If you want to make installment
Okay.
payments, you can do that. And your supervisory period will be 90 days, okay?
90 days. Okay. And what about the price on the ticket?
I'm sorry, what was your question? What was on the ticket?
On the ticket, it says to pay $164.
You don't need to worry about that. It's just,
Okay.
just the 731.
Okay.
All right?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Ross. Are you Amari on Ross?
You guys hear me?
Yeah. Are you Mr. Ward?
Yes. So what's happening? I'm not sure what is happening, but I can barely hear. I have to put the phone up to my ear, so that's why you won't see my face.
Okay, that's fine. I'll try and talk louder if I can.
Oh yeah. No, you're fine. I got it up to my ear. I can hear you clearly.
Okay, you have a speeding ticket. Does the state have an offer?
Yes. The state's offer is a $255 fine with court supervision, and then you would also have to complete a traffic safety class.
Because you're under the age of 21, you'll have to do an online traffic safety class if you get the supervision. So it's a total of $255 supervision plus the traffic safety class.
Okay. Now, I spoke with the lady on yesterday, and she said for me, the ticket was supposed to be 164, and then if I wasn't at court today, then after today, then it would be $250. But she said it's supposed to be $164.
The 164 is for a guilty conviction, and if you want the conviction on your record, I can give you the $164, but you'll have it.
No.
I don't think you want that given your age. I think it's going to jack up your insurance.
Yeah, no. Yeah, no, and then I also just recently got off a suspension, so I definitely don't want to go back to that.
Okay.
So I'll go ahead and accept that, and then you guys said that I'll have to take an online course.
Yeah,
Okay, and then is that one class that's like 4 hours?
it is.
Okay. All right.
Okay. How much time do you want to pay that $255?
So, what my situation is? I'm actually in Michigan.
Huh?
I'll be back. Well, I'm in Michigan. Then I go to California. I'm here for my job. I'm traveling for my job. If I could get to like March or April, that would be great, just so I can get back to Springfield.
Sure. I'll give you till April 1st, okay?
All right. And then that class, is that due also by then?
Yeah.
All right. Sounds good.
Okay.
All right. Is that all you guys from need
Yes,
from
sir.
me?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ward.